Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to mirror your text in Canva in a pretty easy process. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva project and look for the text that you want to mirror. So let's just say I'll select this text here. So in order to mirror your text, just write up a text here on your project and then just go here to the share option, click on download and download this page as a image here with the help of PNG. So after you download, just go here to the upload section and upload that specific file. So after you download that file, just up, click here on this image and bring the image here and resize it accordingly to your text. So let me just resize it according to the text here. So yeah, we are good to go. So in order to mirror the text, just select the file that you have just uploaded and then click here on flip. So as you can see, it has been flipped, and just bring your text here and you can see that you have successfully mirrored your text in this pretty easy way. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.